Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to KD's Empire, and we got another interesting video for you guys to check out today, man. So today's video is going to be about a wife that quits her job and expects her husband to pay all the bills. Let's get into the video.
All right. What's wrong with you?
What are you talking about?
What you mean what I'm talking about? You know
Talking about?
why you quit your job?
Because I wasn't finna pay bills anymore. I don't want to do any of this anymore.
What you mean you not finna pay bills no more?
I'm not paying any bills anymore. Like, are you hard of hearing? Like, I'm not doing it anymore.
So you're not gonna help me out no more?
Oh.
Why?
Because that's your job. You're supposed to be paying all the bills in the first place. Why I gotta go work? Why I gotta get up at 8 o'clock?
Who house is this?
It's our house, but you gonna pay all these bills. I'm not doing it by myself.
I'm saying, so what's wrong with you working and helping?
There's a lot wrong with it. Why I gotta do it? Why I gotta do it? You sit up here and act like you the man of the house. Okay, be the man of the house and pay all the bills. I'm not doing it.
I am the man of the house.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Not complaining like that.
No, I'm the man of the house, and the man of the house telling you need to work.
No, I'm not gonna go do anything. I'm gonna continue to do what I'm doing right here on my computer, and you go to work.
What you doing on
You
the
go to
computer,
work.
y'all?
You do the kids. Be a man. Step up and do what you need to do.
I've always been a man.
No, you're not. No, you're not. You haven't been
I've
lately.
always been a man.
You sure haven't been lately.
How?
So what? You
How?
bring this camera in my face to do what?
How?
What point are you trying to prove?
To show people how sorry you is.
I'm
That's
not
why. How
sorry.
about that?
I'm not sorry. What I'm
How
gonna
about
do is be the lady in the house and make sure the house is taken care of, and you go out and work.
Don't cook.
How come I don't? Didn't you just eat last night?
What the?
Didn't you just eat last night? Doesn't matter.
Tell them
The point is.
Tell them what you cooked me
The
though.
point is, I'm not gonna go and work for nobody anymore. Now you can go and work at your little warehouse job and bring
Listen.
back that money so we
Listen.
can pay these bills.
Cooking rotel ain't no.
What you talking about? We're not even talking about me cooking. What we talking about is you going to work so you can come back home and make sure that we good.
No. What we talking about is you need to go get a job so you can
No,
help
I'm
make
not
sure
gonna go
we
do anything. I'm not about to do anything. If you not satisfied,
No, we need to help make sure each other good. So like,
no,
I
I'm
don't understand
good.
this
I'm
shit.
good. You need to make sure that this whole house is
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
How you good if you just quit your job?
Because you don't know what I got put up. But at the end of the day, like I said, I'm not paying
Oh,
anything
so
else.
that's what we doing.
Like I said,
I don't
I'm
know
not
what you
paying
got put up.
anything else.
I don't
And
know what you
you're
got
gonna
put
be
up.
responsible for everything else. I'm tired of paying bills. Simple as that. So what you gonna do?
Bro, that little portion you put in on
Portion?
that little portion.
Okay, so
that
my
you
little
put in
portion
on
about
Gucci-
nothing, because I'm not paying anything else.
And that's the problem.
You're not understanding that.
I don't understand why you don't think that's a problem.
It isn't a problem.
So why
I'm
you
your
think that's a
wife.
problem?
I'm your wife. So why do you want your wife to go out and work? I'm not understanding it.
Plenty of people wives work.
Okay, I'm not gonna be one of them anymore. Simple as that.
No.
You need to step your
No.
game up. Go get you another job. Go get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more if you got to. But I'm not gonna do it no more.
You got me. You got me.
I do not.
Nah, you got
Stop
me.
being lazy. Stop being a bum.
Nah.
And go get another job.
Nah, what you can't do is you can get up off
I'm
and
about
go
to
get
do
you another
anything.
job because you quit a job that you
I'm
was perfectly
straight.
fine.
I'm straight. At the end of the day, you need to go get you another job and take care of these bills. We got four kids and you can't even barely take care of one. Who do all the work? I do most of the work.
No,
you
that's a
don't.
lie. That's a lie. First
So
off,
what? How
you
much
not
money?
gonna lie to
How
these
much money
folks.
you bring home?
You're not gonna lie to
How
these
much
folks.
money you bring home?
I'm not gonna lie to you.
All right,
I'm
so
not gonna discuss my
therefore,
funds.
I'm not
gonna discuss
I'm
my
not about
funds
to
for the
go
world,
get another
and I'm not
job.
gonna lie,
I'm not working another job. Simple as that.
bro. See this?
What?
I have to go through y'all.
You're not going because you have
Man up.
Man up.
Man up.
Man up.
Man up and do what?
Go get you another
Go
job.
get another job.
Since your job stressing
And if
you
that
out
ain't
so
enough,
much,
go get another one.
Since it ain't paying you enough, go get you another job. Stop being lazy. Like I said.
I'm being lazy.
Yep.
Says the person sitting on the line.
Says your wife, right?
I guarantee you probably shopping on
you
line right
okay, and
now.
I probably am. And with my money. And
With our money.
no, with my money.
See, that's your problem. See
No,
what I'm saying?
I don't
Y'all see
have
what I
no
mean?
problem. Go
Y'all
get
see
your
what I'm
job.
doing?
Go to
Y'all
work.
see what I'm dealing with? Do you see what I'm dealing with?
Nothing. Nothing, because I'm not gonna be stressed out listening to you.
Stressed
Go
out.
to work.
You stressed out? I'm stressed out.
You stressed out about what?
I'm stressed out.
Because you barely do anything as is.
Barely do anything.
Barely.
Come on, man.
Barely.
Come on.
Barely.
Come on.
I'm not about to go work for
my
anybody else again. As
Tell them
as
then
long as
act
I'm
like
your
they do
wife,
something.
as long as I'm your wife, I'm not working for nobody else. So you either gonna have to divorce me or go get you some more jobs.
So big. So
And you not going nowhere, so therefore go get you
So
some
big,
more
we
jobs.
need to get a divorce. I'm not getting no more jobs.
Yes, you are.
I'm not getting
Yes,
no
you
more
are.
jobs.
Getting $15
And if this all wayside, if this all
you
wayside,
get paid $15 an hour.
wayside, guess what? They gonna
Go job, double it.
crumble.
Double it. Go double it.
See,
Because you don't
this
make
what
enough
deal
to
with.
take care of this
You
whole
deal with it.
household.
You deal
So
with
therefore,
selfish.
therefore, you need to
dealing
get your
with a
money
selfish. I'm
Go
dealing
get
with a
your
selfish
money
wife who
I'm
don't
not
care about
selfish.
nobody but herself.
Okay?
All she
My
will sit
kids.
home all day.
I care about my kids.
All she want.
I care
If
about
you
my
quit
kids.
your
You don't even
job,
care about your kids because you won't even go get you another job. You over here being a lazy. Nobody wants to
don't
do
be in a lazy bum.
You barely work a full-time job.
Bro,
You
I
barely-
work a full-time job, bro. What's a 12-hour shift?
You don't work no 12 hours, boy.
I work 10 to 12-hour
The
shifts.
money ain't
I work
coming.
10 to
The money
12-hour
not coming.
shifts.
The money not coming. I'm not working again.
What you mean the money not coming? It go to
The
bills.
money- Nah.
It go to bills.
It barely even cover the bills. So therefore, like I said,
It barely.
for the last time,
It barely.
for the last time, I'm not going to go work for nobody else again. Go get another
You gonna
job.
go all wayside. How
I'm
about
not gonna fall nowhere.
that? Yeah, you gonna
You
fall
gonna
off.
fall. You gonna fall.
Guess what?
You already.
Ain't-
You already.
Yeah, you.
You been.
I fell, as soon as I married you, I fell
You
off.
been waxed
As
since
soon as I
met you.
married you, I fell off.
I paid for everything. I wedding everything, and I paid for
Don't
the.
count.
I paid wedding ring.
Don't
That's
count.
how lazy you are.
That's cap. That's cap.
That's how lazy you are. I gotta do everything
You
so
a
next
liar.
time.
You a liar. You're lazy and you're selfish. You're a liar. She lazy and selfish.
Okay.
And that's why she went and did what
Okay.
did, quit her job. And that's.
And I got
just
the
want
right
life
to
to put her home too long. I just can't home. What
I don't care.
What
Up the
did it?
street. Up the street
Up
somewhere.
the street. Up the street. See what I'm saying? Do y'all have to deal with do you think this right that I have to deal that I have to put up with a job and don't cook or
You think I gotta sit here and put up with a man who get paid $15 an hour and don't bring no money home? To where I got a stash, where I got a stash to help you
so you
out.
got a stash.
So you refuse
So
to
you
go
got a
get another
stash?
job?
So you got a stash?
That ain't your business to be
My business.
because my stash is for
So
me
how
and
my
my kids,
money?
not you.
No, that don't make sense.
Okay.
How my money is our money, but your money is your money.
Because that's the way it is.
That ain't the way
That's
it's
the way
gonna
it
be.
is.
That ain't the
A
way
wife
it's
gonna
gonna be.
always take care of herself and her kids. Simple as that. Bring it home and work before I quit. It's for me and my kids and not you. So go to work, bring back the little coins that you do make so you can pay the light bill because it's due tomorrow.
Ungrateful
Whatever. You
Selfish.
heard what I said.
and a liar.
You heard what I
She
said.
ungrateful, selfish, and a habitual liar.
I ain't ungrateful. I'm
Yes, you
grateful.
are ungrateful.
No, I'm not.
All of you.
You don't
And look, and look what you.
Don't even
look,
come
look
at
how
me
you
like
discard.
this.
You
Don't even
discard
come-
everything I do.
What you do?
Everything.
I'm gonna let you think that.
Oh, you let me think that.
Yep.
This is the
In the
deal with y'all.
meantime, you get paid. You got paid today. It's Friday. So in the meantime, I need you to run me some coins so I can go ahead and check out on what I'm doing and go to work. Go to work. I'm done. Like, I ain't got nothing else to say.
I'm
to
done like you did.
Stop recording me. I'm done. I don't have nothing else to say. Simple as that.
I'm
Go
done.
to
like
work.
you done.
I got
I'm
stuff
done
to do.
like you done.
I got stuff
I'm done
to
like you done.
do. Get out of my face. Get out of my face.
And this my life.
Man, she said so many things that I completely freaking disagree with. She was complaining about the wedding. I know we're starting from the back, but she was complaining about the wedding. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but y'all do realize that the woman's side of the family is supposed to pay for the wedding. That's tradition. I mean, I could be wrong. I believe it's the woman's side of the family that's supposed to pay for the wedding. Y'all let me know. Let me know. I believe that it is the woman's side that's supposed to pay for the wedding. The next thing that she said was, it's a wife's job to support herself and her kids. Where on God's green earth does it say that that's her job? I thought that a wife is supposed to be a helpmate for that man. You're supposed to make sure that he is good. Not you sitting here stashing money for a rainy day or whatever. That's not it, sweetie. Like, I don't know where in the world this young lady got her information from, but you can tell that she has her wires all the way crossed. Like, from every which way, None of this stuff honestly made sense at all. And the guy, listen fam, bro, this is who you decide to marry. This is who you decided to have children with. You need to do some work on yourself, fam, because I'm pretty sure this thing showed that doggone head probably since, maybe not since day one, but I'm pretty sure that you've seen some type of red flag before you put that ring on her finger, before you put that baby or those children in her. You got to be careful about making these type of lifelong decisions with these type of people, because you're getting yourself in a world of trouble, man. This is a lifelong process of just misery, and it's so many people that are living these type of lives because they didn't vet those people correctly. They didn't ask the right questions, and they didn't choose to pay attention to those red flags long before they got involved with these people. Gots to be more careful. But I don't want to go into too much detail, man, other than the fact that they both honestly need therapy. They both need help, if we keep it at a band. But I want to honestly hear from y'all. What do y'all think about this, man? Do y'all think that she was right? You think it was okay for her to quit her job without discussing anything with her husband? Do you think that, I want to know, who do you guys think was right in this situation? All right, y'all comment down below and let's talk about it. All right, y'all be blessed, be beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.